You need car stuff, build a race car with me and NAPA Auto Parts. Timing belt replacement part 2. First, remove the plastic timing covers and we can see the silicone gasket needs to be refreshed. This belt is from 2012 that exceeded its service life of 7 years, so it's due for replacement from NAPA Auto Parts. Before taking off the belt, we need to make sure it's at the factory correct timing location. To do so, we turn the crankshaft clockwise until the marks on the crankshaft pulley align. That's when cylinder 1 is at the top dead center. Then we align both exhaust and intake side camshaft marks and our timing is set. Now we can safely remove the belt tensioners, the crank bolt, and the belt itself so that we can retain the same setting after reassembly. Make sure to visit napaonline.com to find a location near you for expert car advice, quality parts, and services from America's largest parts and care network. Thanks for watching! See you in the next one!